Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two of removing double lines on a name tag. I'm going to set my nudge factor on, well, it is on 3 inches. I'm going to move that out of the way, and you can see it's only going to cut those two lines, and then these will continue. To make it a little bit faster, instead of doing that over and over, is a couple things. You can hold down the Alt key and select those two lines, and then hit delete, and that got rid of both those boxes. Now hold down the Alt key and grab these two boxes, and then we need to change our nudge distance to 10 inches, which is the size of the name tag. Holding down the Alt key and selecting those two boxes, Control D, and make a duplicate. And then all you have to do, and I'll show you in just a second, each one of these, sometimes the shape tool does that. I set my nudge factor on 2 inches or 3 inches again. Let's move this one up, and you can see it's only going to cut that line. So let's put it back, get this one, move it up, and it's only going to cut that line. Now we're missing two lines, but that's very easily done. Take your 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and the job is complete that much quicker. That way it'll cut these individual lines out without cutting it twice. Save you a little time, not too much time because the laser still has to move around, but it will make your name tags look a little bit better. You're going to have less scarring on the edge, and you're going to have less flashback. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.